Today I'm making a summer feast for friends featuring a summer salad with watermelon, cucumbers, and a little bit of feta, which is a recipe of mine that has evolved over the years. First it was just watermelon with a little feta, then we add a little olive oil, and then start adding a little lemon, and you get the picture. And so now I think I'm done adding things to the platter because it is perfection. So here I have half a shallot. I'm gonna slice it thin, lengthwise, the nice long elegant pieces of shallot. I'm gonna put them in a measuring cup. We're gonna make a little bit of a dressing. I mean, it's not a lot of a dressing. It's just half a shallot, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. That looks good. And a little bit of salt and pepper. So 1/8 of a teaspoon salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon pepper. Mix this together. Set this aside, and letting that shallot sit with the olive oil and the lemon also will help temper it if it's a little on the sharp side. All right, now on to the main event here, the watermelon. Now it weighs about 3.5 pounds, 3.5, 4 pounds, and it's perfect to serve in this salad. It makes enough for everyone to have a little bit of salad if you're serving about 8 people. But again, scale it up or down as you want to. So to prep this for the salad, notice I lopped off the top and the bottom. Now I'm using the knife to peel off the rind. And if you pickle watermelon rinds, well, today would be a good day to pull that recipe out. Just gonna get any last little bit of that rind off. Cool. All right, into a big bowl for the watermelon. This is how I like to cut it for the platter, because I'm gonna spread this out on a nice big platter. It just looks really impressive. So cutting it into half, I'm gonna cut the half into 3 wedges, and we're just gonna go through and slice it. Oh, this one smells good. Okay, nice big platter. Just gonna spread the watermelon out, rustico. Oh yeah. All right, the watermelon's done. Now time for the cucumbers. I like using these little Persian cucumbers because I think they're really sweet and they have a good crunch. You want about 5 of them, or about 12 ounces. I'm gonna trim off the end. I'm just gonna slice them nice and thin on the bias. Oh, now we'll add these to the platter. Ooh, we're just gonna put the cucumbers, again, kind of throughout the platter. Aren't these colors great together? I mean, it's a little preppy, the pink and the green, but it's also very summery. All right, now for the dressing. It's not a lot, just sprinkling a little over here and there, just a drizzle. And I love the dressing because it really just takes it back to the savory side. Next, we're gonna add some parsley leaves. Now these are just picked parsley. I mean, they're kind of a garnish, they're kind of a salad green. This salad's kind of in the middle of, you know, a fruit salad, a savory salad. All right, last but not least, some good feta. I love the French feta they sell at the store down the street. I want about 4 ounces of feta, just enough so everyone gets a little bit. There we go. The salad is done. There we go. A little watermelon, some shallot and feta. The combination of these 2 things, man, these are the flavors of summer. See you next time. Thanks for watching. What'd you think? Leave a comment below and let me know what you're excited to cook this week. You can get today's recipes and more for free at our website.